for tuning in. Please remember to like, subscribe, and comment below. In this episode, we talk about escape rooms and how they relate to a better financial mindset. Hope you enjoy. Escape your financial woes. Why escape room thinking is the key to better money management. Are you ready to escape from the suffocating grip of financial worry? Ready to start managing your money wisely so that it works for your needs instead of against them? Good news! You don't need a magic wand or a winning lottery ticket. All you need is escape room thinking, the practical application of problem-solving skills and analytical thinking to tackle financial woes head-on. With an open mind, patience, and knowledge, like any good escape room challenge, you too can find yourself on track toward financial freedom. Let's dive into why escape room thinking is the key to better money management. Let's explore the similarities between an escape room and finances. 1. Problem-solving skills. Both escape rooms and managing finances require strong problem-solving skills. In an escape room, participants must decipher clues, think critically, and make quick decisions to escape. Similarly, in financial management, individuals must analyze complex situations, identify potential solutions, and make informed decisions to achieve their financial goals. 2. Time management. Time management is crucial in escape rooms and finances. In an escape room, participants have a limited time to solve puzzles and escape before the clock runs out. Likewise, effective financial management involves prioritizing tasks, meeting deadlines, and making timely financial decisions to optimize outcomes and avoid unnecessary losses. 3. Collaboration and communication. Escape rooms emphasize teamwork and effective communication. Participants must work together, delegate tasks, and exchange information to solve challenges successfully. Similarly, financial matters often involve collaboration with professionals like financial advisors, accountants, or partners, where effective communication and teamwork are essential for making sound financial decisions. 4. Risk and reward. Escape rooms often involve an element of risk and reward. Participants take calculated risks, try different approaches, and sometimes face setbacks before achieving success. Similarly, financial management consists of assessing investment risks, understanding potential returns, and making informed decisions to maximize financial gains while minimizing losses. 5. Strategy and planning. Escape rooms and finances require strategic thinking and planning. In an escape room, participants develop a plan of action, allocate resources effectively, and adapt their strategy based on new information. Similarly, in financial management, individuals must create plans, set goals, and develop investment strategies to optimize their economic well-being. 6. Adaptability and flexibility. Escape rooms often present unexpected twists and turns, requiring participants to adapt and think on their feet. Similarly, financial management demands adaptability to changing market conditions, economic trends, and personal circumstances. Being flexible and open to adjusting financial strategies can lead to better outcomes in both escape rooms and finances. 7. Learning from mistakes. Escape rooms and finances both offer valuable learning experiences through mistakes. In an escape room, participants can learn from unsuccessful attempts, adjust their approach, and apply newfound knowledge to subsequent challenges. Likewise, individuals can learn from financial missteps in finances, reassess their strategies, and make better informed decisions moving forward. By drawing these comparisons, we can see how somebody can apply these skills and experiences gained from participating in an escape room to financial management. Both require critical thinking, collaboration, adaptability, and strategic decision-making, making them interconnected. Overall, escape rooms and financial management are highly interconnected. They require problem-solving skills, time management, collaboration and communication, risk assessment and reward optimization, strategy, and planning. Additionally, they both demand adaptability to changing circumstances to achieve success. Finally, mistakes can be valuable learning experiences that provide insight into how somebody can make better decisions can be made in the future. By understanding these similarities between an escape room experience and finances, individuals may better appreciate the importance of sound financial decision-making. For example, they may be able to apply problem-solving skills to identify potential savings opportunities or develop strategies for budgeting and saving money. Time management is also key. People must prioritize tasks for sound financial decision-making while avoiding procrastination and unnecessary losses. Collaboration with professionals such as a financial advisor or accountant can help individuals make informed decisions based on accurate information and best practices. Risk assessment is also critical. Participants must assess all possible investment risks, analyze potential returns, and adjust strategies accordingly. Finally, effective planning and strategy development are necessary for long-term financial success. Through the similarities between escape rooms and finances, individuals can gain a new appreciation for effective money management and achieve greater financial stability. Furthermore, by understanding and applying the lessons learned from an escape room experience to personal finances, individuals may be able to overcome obstacles more quickly, save time and money in the process, and ultimately improve their financial well-being. Finally, this learning through experience provides valuable knowledge that can empower people to make better decisions with their money. As such, it is essential to recognize the power of escape rooms as educational tools to help individuals understand how to manage their finances more effectively. With proper guidance and education, individuals can be better equipped to make sound financial decisions and achieve their goals. In conclusion, escape rooms and finances are both activities that require critical thinking, collaboration, risk assessment, strategy development, and adaptability to achieve success. With proper guidance about these topics, individuals may be able to overcome obstacles quickly while saving time and money and improving overall financial wellness. By understanding the lessons learned from participating in escape room experiences and applying these to personal finances, individuals develop greater comprehension of managing their money more effectively. This learning through experience equips people with valuable knowledge to empower them to make better informed decisions for long-term financial stability.